All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can send different sizes of video using your email, specifically in this case, Gmail, because you got two options really of how to do that. The first option when you're sending a message to somebody is that you can just attach up to a certain size file, which isn't that difficult because a lot of cute little clips these days or funny clips are only a couple of megabytes. But if you have a larger video, that might pose a bit of a problem. And Gmail actually, for a while now, has had a few different options to allow you to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and pretend like I'm sending myself a video for some reason. Maybe I'm going to forward it to somebody. Maybe I'm going to save it somewhere. Who knows? And I've got two major options. If it's a smaller video, I can literally just go over here and attach files. There was a funny video today that I saw of a guy wetting his sock and then using it to clean the baseboards in his house. And then I can just say, here is that silly video, and then I can just hit send. But what if it's bigger than that? Like, what if it's like an hour-long video or a family movie? What do you do then? Well, a lot of cases, the regular attach won't work, because that type of a video is just way too big. Do I have a long video in here somewhere? So then if you try to click on a video that's way too big, you'll get warned, hey, this video's over the 25 megabyte limit allowed by Gmail, but we can upload that to Google Drive if you have enough space, and then we can just send a link in the email to download it. And then you can be like, oh yeah, sure, why not? You can click OK. And then it'll tell you how long it's going to take you to upload the Meat Canyon Discord moderator video to your pal, so they can watch it offline without having an internet connection. And then it'll automatically insert a Google Drive link for you to send to them for them to download. All right, so here is the link to download the file. And then when this is received, you can just click on it and it'll take them to a Google Drive where they can see the video and then they can download the video. I guess it isn't going to play the video because it's being processed right now by Google. But normally you'd be able to preview the video before you download it, and then you'd be able to click on download. And this sends around 300 megabytes, so it's not too bad, but it's definitely bigger than you would be able to store on a normal email. Then after that, I could just hit send, and anyone with the link to this video would be able to grab it down off of the web and download. And that's it. That's how you send people extra large videos on Gmail. You can also do the exact same thing on mobile. It's just that the file has to be on your phone. Maybe I'll do a different video on how to do this on mobile if enough people want it. But it's essentially the same thing. You just compose an email. You try to attach a file that's way too big, and then Google's like, we can't do that, but do you want to upload it to your drive, then send it. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.